This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Nick Canty. Quaint home nestled in the back of your large corner lot and sits nicely as you pull into the driveway welcoming you home. Step in through the front door to your open floor plan living area, great for entertaining guests. The kitchen is updated with new craftsman style cabinets and additional open air shelving for adding some decoration and life into your kitchen. The master bedroom has an ensuite and walk-in closet. A smaller bedroom that would also be fit for an office or nursery across from the master, and a larger bedroom down the hall. The laundry room is spacious and has great additional storage space. The garage is a large single car with ample space for a workshop. Enjoy your evening in your spacious yard and deck space, cooking out and enjoying the outdoors. For more information, review the details below or contact Nick Canty at 865-584-4000.